guys, it's your girl Leslie, your favorite YouTube lesbian. Welcome to my channel and welcome back to our review, first impressions, I don't know, trial and error on the Boudoir Beauty 24-hour Lash Bond. So today is the very last test that we are going to be doing. So if you want to see what we're going to do today, then keep on watching. If you're new, hey, what's up? I'm Leslie. Make sure you check out the other two videos. So with the beginning of this first impression review trial thingy mabobber, whatever we want to call it. Check those out first. Come back to this one. And yeah, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. If you're not already, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. And make sure that your bell is on so you don't miss when I upload. Alright you guys, let's jump into the final test. Hello, and welcome to Mole Rat Central. You guys know how I feel about being on camera with no lashes on. But this is the final test on the Boudoir Beauty 24-hour Lash Bond. We saw how it went over the 2 nights. So our last test is the claim that they are waterproof. So I'm going to put these on later on tonight when I wash my face. We'll see if they stay on. I'm not going to like scrub a dub. I don't think you can go swimming with them or anything. But I'm going to at least run my face under some water just for you guys. Yeah. That's gonna happen. So I'm gonna put these on. Today I chose the style Nikki. Y'all know those are my favorites. I've already got mascara on the lower lashes, so I'm gonna put them on the top. Today for mascara I'm using the Lily Lashes XXX mascara in black. Black like my soul. Just kidding. Okay, so last time when I put the glue on my lash line, I ended up putting a bit too much. So it looked like all shiny and shit. I still really need to get the clear kind. So we're going to try this again. I'm going to put it on the lash. Y'all know why I did this. You see the dark smokiness in the black liner? Your girl's smart. Black lash glue equals black liner. So that when I fuck it up, you won't be able to tell. At least, that's the theory anyway. Okay, I'll put it on. Get these little hairs out my way. Ooh. Oh yeah, let's leave it like that, shall we? Could y'all imagine? Ugh! Just see what happened? So I don't like black lash glue. See, I have put it in the wrong place at first, took it off and replaced it, and look. Now there's black lash glue up there. Ugh. I don't know. Maybe I can salvage it. Maybe not. But I'm not going anywhere, so it is what it is. It's on there, though. Next up. Next up. And this is still happening, which I'm not quite a fan of. Blurry. The little wand doesn't fare well with going through the little wiper thingy inside. You know what those are called? Because I don't. Clearly. It's a wiper thingy, okay? Yeah, I think we got this side. Way better than the other side. Maybe I'll just like fix the liner right there, like make the line thicker. I don't know, because it's gonna bother me in my pictures. And that's a pain in the ass to try to fix. So, well, they're on. I think we're looking good. Yeah, so I guess I will check in with you guys later. Ooh, I do have something to kind of show you though. So we have a new lash kit that is coming out. I'm not going to show it to you yet. That's going to be in another video. But yeah, this has some pretty amazing stuff in it. So, like I said, I will check in with you guys later when I pour water all over my face. Alright, bye. Don't ever say I don't love you guys. This is our final test. We're going to see if the lashes are as waterproof as they claim to be. So, I am going to allow my wife to spray me in the face with water. And she's all too thrilled about it too, let me just tell you. Yeah, she says I've been ornery today, so. I hate all of you. Notice I'm staying in my clothes, okay? This is PG. Okay, go. Are we on? Yes, we're on. Are we still on? Yes, bitch. Oh, my contacts. All right. Are we on?
Yep. I see. Yep, we're on.
All right. We're good. I'm going to take a real shower now. Editing Leslie here. So, in all the fun and excitement of being, you know, basically waterboarded by my wife, I did want to let you guys know that it passed the water test with flying colors, and I absolutely love that about this bond. Now, I can't wait to try the clear bond, and I hope that all of these reviews of this particular bond has been helpful. So, with that being said, fuck it, bye.